All right, I got the ATEngeus air duster. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. And I love these air duster things, and I'll tell you why. Because they solve a problem. The problem being, I can buy canned air if I want to. The issue is I have to keep buying canned air, and then I have to dispose of the cans when I'm done. But this solves that problem. Let me show you what you get with this. Comes in a real nice package. It was wrapped up very nicely in bubble wrap inside of there. And we got a set of instructions. And you get two nozzles that come with it that actually attach into the end right here. And when you're not using one of the brushes, you can attach it onto the bottom right here. Another thing you get, which is a really nice braided 3-foot cable right here. It's a Type-C cable because this is a rechargeable device. You can plug it in right in the back and charge it. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge it up. And it runs off of a 5-volt power adapter. When you've got this charging, the light blinks to let you know that it's in charging mode, and it will go fully solid when it's done. This device uses a brushless motor, which gives it the power that it's able to generate. Fully brushless motor. It feels great in your hand. It's lightweight, maybe a half pound. One of the features I like about it on it is actually has a rotating wheel to adjust the speed on this. You're going to press it once to turn it on and turn the wheel all the way up to low to high just by turning the wheel. You don't have to go speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, pull a trigger, 1, 2, 3. It's got a wheel on there so you can adjust it to whatever you want it to be in. This thing has a 6,000 milliamp battery on it, so it will last at full power for about a half hour. And gosh, there's just so many things you can do with one of these. For instance, you can pull out your keyboard, which is why most of us have air dusters in the first place. Look at that. Dusty back there, huh? I'm talking about right here. I think that the stepless speed regulation on here is really one of the main selling points for me because it's so easy just to use it with your thumb. So many things you can do with one of these. You can clean a computer out. You can clean cobwebs and stuff off your windowsills. Clean off your desk. You can take this thing out of the car. It's compact enough to fit right in the glove box if you wanted to, or throw it in the trunk. Easy to clean up after kids. You know, you can get that stuff out of the cup holder inside of there, or the cigarette lighter area that always seems to get junk inside of there. These things are great for pet hair. My dog likes to sit up on the couch and look out the window, and he's always got biscuits that he eats up there, and there's the crumbs and stuff. You can blow that off of there. All kinds of stuff you can do with this. So if you're looking for a high RPM, 41,000 RPM, handheld cordless rechargeable air duster to replace those cans with a 6,000 milliamp rechargeable battery, check out this one by the ATEngeus store. Check it out.